Good morning, students. Today we are going to read part 5th of the chapter Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. In this chapter, we will read about the medicinal plants. India is known for its herbs and spices from ancient times. Some 2000 plants have been described in Ayurveda, and at least 500 are in regular use. The World Conservation Union is Red List has named 352 medicinal plants, of which 52 are critically threatened and 49 endangered. The commonly used plants in India are: first, Sarpgandha, used to treat blood pressure. It is found only in India. Jamun, the juice of this ripe fruit, is used to prepare vinegar, which carbonative and diuretic and has digestive properties. The powder of the seeds used for controlling diabetes. Arjun, the fresh juice of leaves, is a cure for earache. It also used in regulate blood pressure. Babool, if we talk about, leaves are used for a cure for eye sores. Its gum is also used as a tonic. Neem has high antibiotic and antibacterial properties, and tulsi is used to cure cough and cold. Kachnar is used to cure asthma and ulcer. You can see the nature here where we can find various types of medicinal plants. And I tell you that in Himalayas we have found a plant Yav, which is anti-cancer drug. Now let us talk about the tribes that use the alpine grassland for extensive grazing. These are Gujars and Bakkarwals. You can see here Gujars and Bakkarwal speaks how they live their lives. They never stayed at one place. They move from one place to another, and also known as nomad people. Now, what are endangered species? A large number of birds and animals are in the danger of getting extinct. These are called endangered species. What are migratory birds? Which ones visit India? We all know that sometimes we see that birds come for a little time and they go back. These are migratory birds. They comes in the area where suitable climate or weather conditions, then they stay there. If weather conditions changed, they move from that place. Birds are migrate from one region to another, traveling in thousands to build nest and raise their young ones and go back later are termed migratory birds. The ones that visit India are the Siberian crane and the flamingo. You can see here Siberian crane, flamingo. Now mention the wildlife found in Ladakh. Yak, shaggy horned, wild ox, Tibetan antelope, the bharal, wild sheep and kiang, the ibex, bears, snow leopard and red panda in certain pockets. You can see here yak, bharal, kiang, shaggy horned wild ox, Tibetan antelope, wild sheep, red panda, Himalayan black bear, snow leopard you can see here. Thank you. Next we will read in our next slide.